Alrighty, YouTube. Here we have this SMC 48-inch UFO motor. This is a remake of this video. This is one of the few fans I saved from Flea World. I haven't done really anything to this fan. You can see it's still pretty rusted, and definitely needs to be cleaned up. Bearings are a little dry, so I gave him a little bit of a W40 and some zoom spout. But yeah, not bad overall. It does run still good. Let's go ahead and put this fan on low. I would show tags, but the tag on it is horribly faded. You can barely read anything. The other reason for a remake of this fan is to get current draw for Dan Newman. Low speed on the 3 amp control, 0.29. So, there we go. Go ahead and turn it about halfway. Let's see what this goes to. It's at 0.52 currently. There's about medium speed on these controls. Take it all the way up to high now. Takes a little bit to get up to speed. Looks like we're going to sit at 0.78, 0.77. You can kind of hear a little bit of dryness right here. Not sure how well it's going to pick up on the phone. Yeah. Overall, a very good runner. I guess it just cosmetically needs some work in the bearings a little bit, but for being in a flea world for who knows how long, flea market for who knows how long now, it's held up surprisingly well. Yeah, we're drawing 0.77 right now, so it went down a little bit more. Let's go ahead and just spin down. If I remember correctly, spin down wasn't that bad on these. These are actually pretty good fans. I like these. I like the design, and I like the air movement these have. Heck of a spin down, actually, man. It's funny, I'm looking at the data over there, going about the same speed. That's funny. See, I saved this fan, and I think 7 more from Flea World. And I only saved, I think, 2 for myself. It was either 2 or 3 for myself. The rest I saved for other collectors who sent me money for the fans that they wanted. So yeah. His bearings are actually fucking pretty good. They're just needed a little bit of oil probably still. Especially that bottom one, it sounds like, but let's do a spin down. It's very good. Fan has steel blades of a steel motor. Now, I've got a few versions of this one now. I've got the white 48, I've got a white 36. I'm looking for a brown 36, and I think they made these in 56. I don't know for sure. I could be wrong. Someone wants to correct me on that. I'm not sure. But if they have, I haven't found one yet. And this is the only brown one I found, because the one I knew about at Flea World. So it'd be nice to find another brown one in better condition. I probably would still hold on to this one just because of it being actual childhood for me. But so there that is. We're gonna do a 0 to high so we can see the inrush. Another thing I've been asked. Inrush 0.8. And dropping. It's like 0.81 and then it drops. Either way, very powerful industrial. I'm still very happy to have this in my collection. Really, I get it to full speed. Thanks for watching, guys.